Use this grounding meditation daily. Take 3 deep breaths. Breathe in. As you exhale, feel yourself beginning to grow heavier and heavier. Another breath in. Good. And on your exhale, just allow your eyes to close down if they haven't already. As you continue to breathe easily and naturally, allow your weight to sink into the surface beneath you. Good. Another easy breath in and exhale. See, sense, or feel your next breath going all the way down to your first chakra, located near the base of your spine. As you exhale, create a grounding cord anchoring to your first chakra. Send this grounding cord down through the surface supporting you, down into the floor, into the ground, and into the center of the earth. Sense the center. Sense the core of the earth. What is it made of? If it is a tree, grow roots from your grounding cord into the center of the earth, intertwining with the roots of the core. If it is a molten lava core, sense connecting to this warming, flowing liquid center. Whatever senses imagery comes to you is perfect for you. Your grounding cord can be made up of anything that pleases you. A waterfall, a tree trunk, a drain pipe, whatever comes to you, just sense, feel, or see the flow of this cord flowing downward towards the center of the earth. Send any thoughts or images that you wish to release into the downward flow of your grounding cord, where the earth can absorb and transmute the energies that no longer serve you. Take another deep breath in. Notice the tranquility you have created for yourself. As you begin to bring your awareness back into the room, you also bring with you the awareness that you can do this simple and effective practice at any point during your day to get more centered and grounded. As always, thank you for your likes, shares, and subscribes. Hit the notification bell to get notified when we make new contributions. Thank you for existing. We are love.